Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to hear that all of you are loving my recipes. Some of you have even tried out some recipes and shared the pictures with me. Really very happy to know that. Continue doing so, extend the same love and support to my channel. So shall we do some baking today? I'm going to bake some healthy cookies for you today. Ragi and amaranth flour cookies. Ragi is known as amaranth in English, and we will be mixing some gram flour to it. Or if you want to replace the gram flour, you can use some all purpose flour or whole wheat flour also. And I am using jaggery, organic jaggery powder, so that makes them really very healthy. And if you want to use sugar, you can go ahead and use sugar. So let's go and bake these healthy cookies. Half cup of ragi flour or amaranth flour, half cup gram flour or besan, about 7 or 8 tablespoons of jaggery powder. I have taken organic jaggery, and ghee about 6 tablespoons. You can use butter also. 2 pinches of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk as needed. In a large mixing bowl, take the flours and the besan, add the baking powder, cardamom powder, and the salt. If you are using a salted butter, you can skip adding the salt. Mix everything together with a spatula, breaking all the lumps if there are any. See that all the ingredients are mixed very well. You can also replace the besan with whole wheat flour. Now this is done. Add the jaggery powder. I am using organic jaggery. You can use sugar also if you like. Jaggery makes it little healthier. Mix it well till everything is blended together. Now add the melted ghee or melted butter little by little. Keep mixing with the spatula. Adding the remaining ghee. Make sure you bring it to a room temperature after melting. Mix it very well with the spatula. Now add little bit of milk. Add a spoonful at a time so that the dough doesn't become very soft. Keep mixing it. You need little more, you can add it again till the texture is pliable to make the cookies. Now with the hand you can gather the dough together. Knead it lightly and gather it. Now we are going to refrigerate this for about half an hour. Cover it with a cling film Now this goes into the refrigerator for resting. Now take a baking tray, line it with a parchment paper and grease it lightly. Take a small portion of the dough and using a cookie mold, flatten it. If you don't have a mold, you can use a fork. Now place the cookies in the baking tray. This portion makes about 12 cookies. In the same way, you continue making all the cookies. They look pretty, isn't it? With a nice design on them. The same way, continue making all the cookies. Here all the 12 cookies are ready with different designs. Now we are going to bake them in the preheated oven. Bake at 200 degrees C for 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure you preheat the oven first. Now remove them from the oven and allow them to cool. The cookies are ready. Serve them with tea. Nice and flavorful cardamom flavored ragi cookies are ready to be served. Look at the texture, perfect and crunchy. Make and enjoy them. They are very healthy cookies. I hope you like them. Do give it a try.